Happy Friday. What's up? What it do, baby? Welcome to Drea's World. It's your girl, Candrea. Guess what, y'all? Today I got homemade chili cheeseburgers and homemade chili cheese fries. Truly, let's go ahead and dive in. Yes, y'all, this is a very delicious, quick, simple meal to make. Very perfect for a Friday evening, Friday lunch, brunch, or dinner. Yes, let's get into it. See that yum goodness. It's hot. Always make sure you wrap the foil up so it don't drip out everywhere. Chili cheese fries. This is green chili, y'all. Mmm. 10 out of 10. I use the checker fries because they're already pre-seasoned. You don't have to put anything on the fries. I didn't feel like doing the old-fashioned way. You can put as much or as little chili as you want on your burger. In the foil. So check it out. Check out my clip. I clipped how I made these. Very simple, very fast meal. This is the medium chili. It's not too hot. It's just right because you can always add water to water it down if it's too spicy. Okay, baby, that's some good stuff. This is so good. Listen up. Happy Friday. Y'all stay safe out there. Till next time, watch the full video. And wow, that was a very delicious meal. That was on point. I am full. I am so full I couldn't even finish the second one, but always eat some now and save some for later, right? I'm telling you this. But check it out. So many relationships are falling apart. I also want to come on here and say some stuff about relationships. It's deeper than cheating. It's about communication. It's about money problems. We're in a spiritual war, and most don't even realize it. And when men choose flesh over spirit, it creates division, okay? It creates division not just in the home, but in the heart. And so I'm going live tonight to talk about why real love feels almost non-existent today. I'm going to talk about what the Bible says about enmity between men and women, okay? The hidden cost of living in lust and temptation. It just came to me, I was watching some videos, and I'm going to talk about how healing and alignment are the only way back to real true love. So if you've ever felt betrayed, if you feel exhausted or just confused about love in general, this is for you. It's time we talk about what's really going on, okay? Join me live tonight. Drea's World, relationship talk. We're going to talk spiritual warfare, and we're going to talk about healing season, how love matters, Black love matters, okay? Heartbreak. We're going to talk about healing. We're going to talk about living in truth.